doing a quick little visit here at Knott's Berry Farm today. Nice Sunday afternoon. Let's check it out. We're coming down from the parking lot tunnel. Curious, I'm glad that the parking worked for me, since I wasn't too sure with the Legacy Six Flags membership, but I am in the park and we're gonna head on up to see Montezoomas and any construction updates. Last I saw from American Coaster Network was the footings that were being cast and rebar. The rebar was all set, so let's see what's going on. Looks about the same as what American Coaster Network was showing. Got all the form work going. Got the timber lagging to hold the forms up. So yeah, looking really nice. Obviously no work today on a Sunday, but very promising to see, and see the stations all clear down there, nice and emptied out, and some other footwork footings are in there for some more electrical, so pretty cool. So, looks like these two still have the primer on the base of these footings, or these supports, so nothing to see here. Same old, same old. We're seeing this shade over here for the line for Snoopy, Baron. But yeah, it's cool to see, and also that artwork, but yeah, not too familiar with this area. Yeah, we're heading back to the front. Let's go to Ghost Rider and get some rides in, and we'll call it a little day here. Head in the general store for the Flash Pass. Minor Spuds, let's give it a try. Some really great rides on Ghost Rider, about 5 rides, and I wanted to see if I could use my dining plan, and it looks like it's all working. So for all parts, got the Marry Me chicken with mac and cheese, bread bowl, but without the bread bowl because I don't need to eat all that. Gotta stay healthy, right? And it's just way too much bread. Yeah, maybe I'll get one more ride on Ghost Rider after this and head on out, play some pickleball. Who plays pickleball? Let me know in the comments. Nice Marry Me chicken, very tasty, very filling, and very heavy. But yeah, pretty tasty over at the Miners Mac or whatever it's called, and Spuds. But yeah, that was tasty. No need for the bread bowl in my opinion, but if you need that filling bite, that's the way to go. Well, it is time for me to head on out. So we're not gonna go on Ghost Rider, but here it is. Do it here. A beautiful Knott's Berry Farm. Had a fun time on Ghost Rider. Checked out, you know, the extent of my pass. Able to bring in my souvenir bottle, so can't use the same Cedar Fair cups like they have, but just have to bring in that bottle for all the parks, which is great, and it seems like my meal plan's working everywhere else. And I have Flash Pass, which is really nice since I didn't pay for that, so can't complain. Well, with that, this has been Coaster Kev, and I'm coasting out from Knott's Berry Farm.